Have you guys noticed that gold mining and every natural resources that were found in the northern part of Nigeria are being controlled by the northerners? I mean, their state governors. Have you noticed that? Gold mining and every business, every resources and dividend that is coming out of it are being controlled by the northerners. But the northerners are still the same people who own the highest oil that is coming from the eastern part of Nigeria. And as it is right now, if you speak out that you found gold behind your house in the eastern part of Nigeria, the government will take over it. The government will take over that your land. They may even buy you to make sure you don't come close. But northerners are the ones controlling things, resources that were supposed to be a national cake. But no! Whatever that is found in the north belongs to the northerners. But as soon as it is found in the east, it is a government-owned property. It is a national cake. It is a national resources. Ndi Igbo, by now our eyes should have been opened. Ndi Igbo, by now we are supposed to be wise enough to know that no, we're supposed to stand up and fight for ourselves. Because Nigeria, there are no peace. You can recall when there was Niger Delta militant. They were doing what they have to do. Governments have to call them and ask them, what do you want? They negotiated and they stopped. Till today, those guys are being paid because they spoke up, because they fought for their rights. Nobody gives you what belongs to you. You are the one who will stand and grab it by yourself and say it is mine. Whatever will happen, let it happen. They are the highest oil well owners in Nigeria, but there is no oil, no single oil. They are the landlocked, but they are referring Igbos as the people who are the landlocked. Until we stand up, until I hear bully and say enough is enough, it will continue to happen like this. It will continue to be like this. Nobody will knock on your door and say, please, this belongs to you. How do you want it? No, until you speak up and say, this is mine. Is it not from the eastern part of Nigeria? They laid pipe underground till they get to Niger because of Jibril, who was supposed to be Buhari. That is the condition he gave. That you have to link your oil to my country. Everybody in Nigeria are getting their rights on Ndi Igbo. Until we are ready, things will never happen. Because it's not going to happen like a magic. Nobody will give you what belongs to you until you say, this is mine. The northerners are minding their gold and they are selling it. Every business they are doing with it belongs to them. The money and the dividend is going to their coffers. Oil that is coming from the eastern part of Nigeria is a national cake. And that is why, if oil dries today, they will ask you to go with your Biafra. If that oil ends today, if they look for oil and they could not find it today, they will give you, they will willingly say, go. We don't have anything to do with you. But because nobody is speaking, nobody is threatening them, nobody is talking about it. So they feel relaxed to do anything. If you speak up right now, they will come after you. Because they knew, hence you start speaking up, a lot of people will be wise. You will be opening people's eyes. But it is time. It is time. Ndi Igbo, ka anyị mụrụ n'anya. Let us re-strategize and do the needful. They have to be the one to call Igbo people. They have to be the one to call the Easterners on the round table and ask you what you want. That is why they can openly call you landlocked. While in the north, where there is no sea, there is a dry land port. Every importation is coming between north and west, Yoruba and Hausa. Igbos become landlocked. The impunity that is being meted on Igbo people, and we are still looking at it, as it is not enough. I say, let me remind you this. Kodikwan.